In this video, I will take you to the world of very beautiful crafting world. So, in this video, we show you very beautiful and aesthetic style, eco-friendly, budget-friendly burlap and jute craft. Either it's a tree, bell, and ornaments. Very beautiful ornaments is here and easy to make, budget-friendly, and you can craft at home very beautifully. And this is the very unique time when you craft with your family, when you're doing something creative with your family, friends, and with your children. And it is the basic need to do something with your children, these creative things. And first of all, it is very necessary to make something eco-friendly and recycle ideas we give to our children, and this is very beneficial for our planets, and our earth need recycling. So we gives you the best ideas of recycling bottles. Now I try to give you the ideas of making of burlap craft, burlap art. So this video is gonna tell you how beautifully designed, how beautifully take jute and burlap and make something extraordinary from ordinary piece. So this is very beautiful designs and burlap craft, burlap ideas, and jute craft, jute rope with, you can make it with jute rope and jute craft. So viewers, have you seen these pictures? This ornaments, this beautiful jute burlap ornaments is very useful and healthy for our planet, and make something different and unique, and show the world how creative you are. If you are creative mind, so obviously if you are creative mind, definitely why you are watching my video, that's why you are watching my video. And Western woman is very creative, I think so. Western woman is definitely very creative. She has a lot of spirit to do something like crochet things and burlap things and many more of these types of ideas. So how you feel that? Do you think it's powerful ideas? Do you think it's eco-friendly, budget-friendly ideas? So I think if you like the video, so make sure this video gonna teach you the beautiful ideas and very creative ideas of this beautiful designs. So viewers, thank you for watching. We try to bring for our viewers and subscribers the best ideas, the best videos for you. If you watch our others videos, we give you the tips and ideas how to grow business, how to grow your business. And this is time to very important time to sell something and make something different, and try to become a brand ambassador, and make some small business, and photo upload on social media. After that, make a story and upload on social media, and make something unique. People wants to buy that, and people also wants to buy the different types of things like that, creative things. People wants to buy eco-friendly things, and put our title to this is the eco-friendly recycle things and good for planet. So hope you understand very well these ideas. Are very impressive and creative and good for crafty time. So take your crafty time. God bless you all. May your home fulfilled with happiness. Keep crafting, keep doing something new and making something new. And in this video, the designs show you the very happily designed you, and use burlap and jute and make some eco-friendly decorative ideas. Hope you feel and enjoy these designs. These are very beautiful designs and make your home cozy and rustic style. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. We try to bring the best burlaps, and eco-friendly